IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Napipigsa putok ti rocket launcher ken agapigsa putok ti nangangato kalibre ariple ken paltog ti mangigan iti kabaybay na Paset ti Lawag City, Ilocos Norte kang runan na iti Lawag Sand Dunes. Detoy anay sayang kat US-Philippines Balikatan exercise babaen kadagiti panakabagi ti US Army, AFP ken dagiti Japanese Army. Ti US-Philippines Balikatan exercise ken iso ti mangipakita ti kinapigsa dagiti talo a persa ken detoy ang nagiinadalda kadagiti taktika iti panakigubat iti angin, daga ken kastapayan iti danum.
This exercise is part of the annual Balikatan activities. It intends to promote interoperability not just inside the armed forces of the Philippines, but of course working with allied countries like the United States and Japan. So this is a joint and combined training exercise. Yes, sir. We are simulating an exercise that has been part of the pre-planned activities that will not only deal with internal concerns or internal combat, of course, anticipation of any force that might come from the shore, but not and I would like to emphasize that it is not directed towards any particular country.
Maila dawan ti senaryo nga arig na adda ka iti gubat gapu kadagiti agkakapigsa apan nagputok ti rocket launcher ken panagronda dagiti helicopter. Dito'y anapadas iti laingda amang paputok iti target da ken dito'y amakita ti kinaalerto ken kinasiglat da.
Training that we're conducting as part of exercise Balikatan is becoming more complex across all domains: air, sea, and the land. And so we have to, in our modernization of our militaries, we look to modernize our capabilities with unmanned systems, not only in the air, but also in the sea. And you got to see that on display today. It's important to note that this is not just a U.S. capability. This is a Philippines capability, Japanese capability. All of our like-minded nations are working towards having more capability that we can use unmanned systems to support our defense and our activities and our training.
Ti Balikatan 2026 ket agodo inton bigata Mayo 6 iti mismo apaway Ilocos Norte. Para iti IFM News, Idol Lawrence Martinez, Tatak, IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.